We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Vangie. On this video, I'm going to show you how I'll try to recycle or to make use of the materials that I have from the flower arrangement that I received last month. And since I don't want to get rid of the materials, especially this one, this is so beautiful, I would like to make my own table flower arrangement. So, are you with me? Let's begin! Earlier, you have seen the original flower arrangement, these are the materials that can still be used. So, the tray, the velvet, or this will be used to keep the foam intact, and of course, this rope. Yes, these are all recycled. These are all from the original arrangement. And earlier as well, I showed you how I cleaned and soaked this. This is a foam. Yes. So what I'll do now, after soaking it for half an hour in clean water, of course, I am now going to place this here in the middle of. This time I'm going to use the other side because this has more solid surface, right? So we set this aside. And I got these new flowers which we will use to decorate my new table flower arrangement. Yeah. I'm making use of the flowers which I think can last longer than maybe 1 week. Let's give it a try.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors. watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, watch it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here.
Just do it your way. This is yours, right? Now make yours. Make your own style. No rules. So, I like it. So far, I like it. So far, so good. Uh-huh.
Me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, watch it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here. Sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers.
More?
Oh, watch me dancing in the colors.
Acá aumento. Está bien, ¿no?
Uy, say hello. This is Rob.
Hello. Hello.
You and me stuck on the ocean now, nothing but waves and they're spilling in. I wanna dry up but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here, all my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home, our home, our home. We don't have to drift.
Here you go. You're beautiful. Table flower arrangement. Yes. And now for the final result.
I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, all the way back home.
And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Write a comment, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.
But nevertheless, we were true to each other. But now we don't even bother. I remember you being hopeful, but the waves have worn us down, and slowly we are drowning. That's why you need to come with me, with me, with me. Turn around 180 degrees and cross the sea. I will not let us fade away.